Congratulations to our next awardee, Neil J. Matunding Advocate, Humanitarian Service Award.
Sikat ng pag-asa, sigaw ng katarungan, tinig ng lolo't lola, kanyang ipinaglalaban. Sikat ng paninindigan sa bawat probinsya, apat na puna ang nadaanan para marinig ng bayan.
Maraming salamat po sa Dangal ng Pinas sa pagkilala po sa Sikad Pilipinas. Medyo mahirap man siyang paniwalaan kasi sidecar lang na mula Bukidnon to Manila ay matagumpay ko pong naikot. At itong parangal na ito ay alay ko po sa ating mga lolo't lola po.
Sikat ng pag-asa, sigaw ng katarungan, tinig ng lolo't lola, kanyang ipinaglalaban. Sikat ng paninindigan sa bawat probinsya, apat na puna ang nadaanan para marinig ng bayan.
Si Neil J. Matunding, 23 years old from Bukidnon, Mindanao, kung saan iikutin niya ang buong Pilipinas sa loob ng 2 taon mula Mindanao hanggang dito sa Luzon sa pamamagitan lang na siya ay nanakabike lang para sa kanyang pagsuporta para sa pagsasabatas ng Anti-Elderly Abuse Act, protection para sa mga senior citizen laban sa pang-aabuso.
The name of the game is consistency. That is the #1 ingredient in any equation, in any recipe for getting to where it is you want to be. Where it is you want to be, not to where you're quote unquote supposed to be. Your finish line and your success is relative to who you are. It does not look the same and it shouldn't. So had you not quit, where would you be right now? What does consistency look like on your life? Do you keep going just when you're winning, just when you're feeling good, just when you're motivated and inspired? Are you motivated or are you dedicated? There's a difference. Or do you need to keep watching YouTube videos and listening to stuff like this to get you going again?